Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. I'm standing outside a gorgeous family home we renovated, and I wanted to explain why we chose a steel roof to transform a tired, dated home into this urban, modern farmhouse. The roof is very visible at this property, and we chose steel as our roofing material as it not only looks great but also has a number of benefits. It's low maintenance, there is a large range of profiles and colours to choose from, it's weatherproof and helps to keep your home at a comfortable temperature. This LYSAGHT SNAPSEAM roof is manufactured from colour-bond steel, so you know it's fire resistant, termite proof and it won't warp. It's long-lasting and backed by generous warranties. A clip-fixed installation method makes it an easy install for professional roofers and great for re-roofing or renovation projects like this one. LYSAGHT has been manufacturing steel building products in Australia for over 100 years, and their products are made to last. They all go through rigorous testing and are compliant to Australian standards. What's great is LYSAGHT have branches, dealers and installers across Australia who can provide advice on what product's right for you. We use them and they're a huge help. Head online today to check out their great range of products.